Welcome everyone to Learn the Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate, and today we're getting into episode 3 of the Cornelius-Nitro Pro Mini full service training. This episode will get into the main water inlet solenoid valve.
In this segment, we're going to talk about the main water inlet solenoid in the back of the unit. You can see on the unit it's located here with the 3/8 flare fitting connection for the water line to get into the back. And then this solenoid assembly is mounted in here. The water outlet on this side, that goes through a piece of tubing, braided tubing, to a stainless steel coil sitting down in the water bath of the unit to chill the incoming water. The thing about these solenoids now is that by design, these solenoids are meant to, they only open up between 35 and 90 psi as their operating range. If it's above 90 or if it's below 35, they will not open up and function. And again, that's not by fault, that's by design. This particular solenoid here assembly does 3 functions. It opens up when it's energized, it opens up and allows water to flow through into the cooling coil. The second thing it does is that water coming in, whatever that water pressure is coming into the valve, into the back, it regulates it down to 29 psi, dynamic flowing pressure coming out of the valve going forward into the unit. The third thing that this unit does is whatever that flow rate of water coming in, it regulates the flow rate to 1 ounce per second, fixed. It's not adjustable. It's fixed at 1 ounce per second flowing through, going over to the dispensing deck and nozzle net. The reason for that 1 ounce per second is that on this unit here, there are no adjustable flow controls. No piston and sleeves, no adjusting or adjusting water flow to get it right. This solenoid fixes it at 1 ounce per second. Now, and it's powered by a circuit board. If you go to measure the voltage on this, so you energize, you pull one of the handles to dispense, and you put your VOM or your volt-ohm meter on the terminals, and you go to measure this with the wires on the terminals, and you go to measure it, this coil is what they call half rectified. So if you go to measure this, you'll probably get about, your meter will show about 13.5 volts DC. With the wires on and in. If you take the wire leads off of this 2 spade terminals, hold the wire leads openly, so you're going to take them off of the coil here, hold the wire leads off to the side, put the probes of your meter in those 2 push-on, fast-on spades, and without the solenoid attached, and measure the voltage again when you hold the dispense lever, and you'll be getting about 23.5 to 24 volts DC. That's actual voltage coming from the circuit board and the power supply. So when you're doing troubleshooting, don't think that 13.5 volts, oh, there's something wrong. It's actually the correct voltage that should be going to this component. Oh.